Hi, welcome to Cheap Eats. I'm going to do a review of Dunkin in the app, and I'm also going to do a food review of the new empanada. Okay, now this is the app. I did find it a little hard to find the restaurant that I wanted to order from. I cut out a lot of that just for time reasons, but I finally found the restaurant, and now we're going to place the order. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the sandwiches because I'm looking for the new empanada I do want to try. We ordered that. Now we are also going to place the order for a coffee roll, and we're going to get a donut. Now just remember, we're going to get reward points for this, which I'm going to go over shortly. And because it brings me right back to the location, which I'm verifying, that's the one I want. All right, it was a little hard, but I finally got the store back I wanted. Now we're going to place the order. Now that's my order. And let's take a look at the app, because you can get your reward. All right, we'll look at the Dunkin' Donuts app. Now, like I said, you get rewards points. Now look at what you can get for free on the rewards. 150, you can get hash browns. 150, you could also get 3 count munchkins. 250 a donut. 500 for coffee. You can get breakfast sandwich at 8. So that's where you can pretty much save big money with Dunkin', especially if you like to go get your cup of coffee all the time. But you can also, if you have money on your card, my card only has 28 cents, but they also have like double points because I bought the breakfast empanada. Or you can get cold brew coffee medium for $3. They always do that. So they always have some specials here, which you can do. You click the offers, where you got right there the little coupon for the cold brew. This right here is the $3.99 empanada from Dunkin'. Let's cut it open. Let's see what it looks like inside. And let's take a quick taste. I'm actually not a big fan of that. It's not really great. But I also got a Boston cream donut. That looked good. And last but not least, big coffee roll. Should be more icing, I think, on. Oh, the icing's on this side, so we're pretty good. All right. And how's that look to y'all? That looks good. All right, like I said, the empanada I'm not a fan of, but I'm gonna finish it up and eat it. Okay, please like and subscribe, and also check out Carl from Florida for school bus videos. Thank you. Have a great day.